Nora, tell us about Toastmasters.
Well, I joined Toastmasters 7 years ago, and I joined because my speech therapist recommended it because I was having troubles, and she recommended Toastmasters because she said it would boost my confidence. And yes, it did. It boosted my confidence. I made some friends, and I've learned to give speeches, and I've learned also to not be hard on myself. If I make a mistake, I've learned to, okay, yes, I made a mistake. I can dwell on that for a second, but then move on and learn from my mistakes. So I love Toastmasters, and it's a great organization. You meet people. You get to just learn from others and learn from yourself. Thank you.